So I'm currently standing outside of a 2021 Honda HR-V. This is the EX model. I'm going to walk around this, show you guys all the features and functions of this particular vehicle. If you found this helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Now let's walk up here to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause up here and explore on your own or continue to explore with me. Now up on the top right hand corner, it talks about your fuel economy. It's 26 for the city, 31 for the highway with a combined of 28. Down on the right hand corner, it talks about your safety ratings, which as you can see right now, it's not rated. Where the vehicle's made at, the price point, and then the list of features, which we're going to go over today. Now as we're walking towards the front of the vehicle, it comes standard with 2 key fobs. All of your Honda sensing features come standard. It's going to be the lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking. You're going to have a 1.8 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission with 141 horsepower. You got your fog lights down below, LED daytime running lights, standard headlights, then LED tail lights. Nice little bit of chrome going along the front nose. Over here on the passenger side mirror, you're going to have the Honda Lane Watch. So every time you turn your blinker to go on the right hand side, this camera comes active and it's going to display up there on your touch screen. We'll show you that on the inside. As you step over here, you got those nice 17-inch alloyed rims. We're going to have heated body colored side mirrors with turning indicator. Also body colored handles. Rear tinted windows. Roof rails. And a one-touch power moonroof. Smart entry comes standard, so great thing about that, if the car is all locked up, keep this in your purse, your jacket, wherever you store it. Pretty handy in the handle. It's going to sense that and automatically unlocks. Now as you walk away with the key fob, you can simply hit this button here with confidence, knowing it locks right up, or you can just set the walk away auto lock feature. So every time you walk out with the key fob, it's going to lock right up. Now another cool thing is, those days of accidentally locking your keys in the car is over. Let's say, oops, left my jacket, my purse, whatever, the key fob fell in my pocket, hit the lock button, walk away. Cannot lock your keys in the car in an accident anymore. All right, let's step here towards the back. Once again, you got those LED tail lights, just makes a bold statement for safety. This particular one's all-wheel drive, so you have all-wheel drive badging. It's also available in a front-wheel drive if you choose to take so. Now we have a multi-angle rear camera. It's going to be right down over here. It's right below the nice H and the chrome they have going along. You're going to have your hydraulic liftgate button right underneath that. It's easy to open. Look at all this utility space you have in this vehicle for how small it is. You got a nice little courtesy tie downs. So if things won't be jump around, a nice little light that you can turn on or off. Let's say you need more space, not a problem. Challenge accepted. These seats will fold down nice and flat. Just as so. There it is, loaded up and living the dream. Now for those unforeseen events, you also have a spare tire down below with those tools. Now your handles for the HR-V are going to be right up here up top for the back door. You guys know about power windows. Got nice leather. Then we have some additional cubby space. All right, to bring these seats up, it's going to be quick and easy. Just kind of grab and pull right up. It locks right in place. Cool thing about these seats, you're going to have the magic seats back here. So pretty much grab down here at the base, pull it up, pull that bar down. It's going to lock it right up there. Both sides would do that with the 60-40 split. So let's say you need some more height for that utility, maybe a tall plant, TV, use your imagination. You can fit more stuff back here now. And to bring that down, as simple as pull that bar out and unlocks it and let it drop and locks right in place. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. Nice little pocket back here on the passenger seat. 12-volt plug-in with a nice little tray. All right, up here in the front door, you guys already know about power windows, power locks. You got your window lock button. You got your mirror selector and the D-pad to adjust accordingly. Some additional cubby space down below. You're gonna have a manual seat. There's gonna be a pump action. Now to raise that is the pump up, to lower it is the pump down. You got your recline over here, then a squeeze bar, just slide forward and back. Gas release, hood release. This is going to be a push button start, so make sure you have the key fob with you in the car. Simply put your foot down on the brake and hit the start button and watch everything light up. Now the steering wheel is going to be a telescope. Unlock it down there. It goes in and out, up and down, so you can adjust accordingly. Now over here we got some additional buttons on the left hand side. You got the Econ button. When you select that Econ button, you get a nice little green leaf that comes on to let you know Econ is on. So Econ's gonna change up a little bit of your AC. You'll be sacrificing AC power and acceleration power and electrical power to give you better fuel economy from that point. So you gotta choose when you wanna use it, when you want it to be a fuel efficient or you're looking to be comfortable because it affects the power of that AC. So you may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. You have your forward collision magnetic braking system, road departure, if you want to shut that off. Right now it's on, now it's off, now it's on. Then your vehicle stability assist. Over here we got a turning indicator with a little button on for your Honda lane watch, so you can select that without turning on your blinker, it automatically displays, or you can turn on your right indicator for turning, then that comes right on automatically. Now, for some reason, if you don't like that feature, you can watch my other video. We'll show you how to shut that camera off. So every time you turn on the blinker, it would not come on. But, you know, for safety, why not keep it on? Now, as you're going to notice, as you hit your left indicator, it's not going to come activated. The reason on that is because they don't want you to be looking over to the right when you're trying to turn left, you know, for safety reasons. We're also going to have auto headlights, shifter pedals, just pretty much changing your automatic into a manual. Now we also have this white halo light around. It's a nice visual coaching. So let's say we're driving down the road as you're being fuel efficient. It turns from white to green. Green is being fuel efficient, white is you're not. And just gives you a nice little visual coaching if you want to take that to the next step on your fuel economy. You have all of your media stuff right over here. So, you know, different sources for your radio, volume control, stuff like that. You got this button over here. It's going to select between phone and music from that point. And then back to the home. Over here, you're going to have your hands-free for your hands-free phone. You can answer your phone calls, hang up, reject, and also voice command. And simply just pull these buttons here towards you, and we'll do so. So let's say with voice command, if I'm saved in your phone, you can click that and say, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Gives me a call, and I will answer all of you guys' questions. Excuse me. All right, now over here, you have your Honda sensing features. You can tell when they're available by the green writing. If you don't see the green writing, just hit this main button. I just did so. You can see the green right down there. So you have the ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, then your lane keep assist system. So it's available. We can use this now. If I hit that main button again, it's not there, so you can't use it, all right? So look for the green writing, please. Now with your lane keep assist, it's gonna be this button. As you select that, you see a hollowed out dotted lines right now because we're not going the proper speed between 45 and 90, and the camera's not finding lines on the road, so it's not working. Now let's say if we meet that criteria, right, it would be filled in white dotted lines as a visual confirmation that it's doing its job. Okay, so once again, that's going to be that button here. Now over here, we're going to have your cruise control. So you can hit set, adjust the speeds, you can cancel it, then you also have your adaptive part right there. So each time I select this button, it's changing the distance between you and the car in front of you. More lines means further away, less lines means closer, of course. Now once it finds a car in front of you, it will beep. You can turn that beep on or off, then it slows you down to match your speed with theirs to maintain that distance, okay? So then as a visual, it gives you a little white car just like this button shows. It's gonna put a white car right up there. So a visual confirmation. Now with your lane keep assist, kind of go back to that quick. Same thing, when you go out of your lane a little bit, it's gonna beep. You can turn that beep on or off, then it brings you back and recenters you, okay? All right, so you got some different other options down here. Pretty much as you select these buttons, they'll just change some of your information. All right, let's go focus on this touch screen. So you got your different music options. You can hit audio. Let's hit source. You guys can read that. You got FM, AM, satellite radio. You get 3 months of satellite radio for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that. You have a USB, iPod, Bluetooth, Pandora, and then your smartphone connection. You can pair up multiple phones. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So let's say if you have an Apple phone, it's going to be pretty quick and easy. It's a plug and play. It's going to be right down here below. You have a couple USB ports. The one with the picture of the phone next to it, it's where you put your phone charger plug in at. Then you plug into your phone. Then Apple CarPlay will display right up there. Now with your Android Auto, you're going to have to download Android Auto first, allow all their permissions to happen, then it's a plug and play from that point. All right, but once again, it's going to be plugged in the same spot. Now over here on the other side, you're going to have a 12-volt plug-in with a nice little tray, so you can put your devices down there. You can also change the brightness of your screen by hitting this button up here. So you know if it bugs you for your day or nighttime driving, you can adjust it accordingly. Hazard lights off to the side. Down below, we're going to have all of your climate control. It's going to be a touch screen. So you have heated seats, you have low and high, the front seats. You're going to have your temperature, fan speed, different modes. You got your front defroster, rear defroster with your heated side mirrors. All right, now we're off here to the shifter. As you see, you got your standard park, you got reverse, neutral, drive, then a sport drive. Sport's going to change up your gear ratio and then your suspension just for more fun performance driving. As you throw this into reverse, you have your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays. These buttons down here show you how the camera acts, all right, and which one's selected. It's going to be a touch screen. So the first one is more of a 180 view, catch some more cars from your blind spot as you're pulling out the parking lot, drive-through, stuff like that. Then you're going to have the right behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper. Now, cool thing is, as you turn your wheel, look at that, changes colors to let you know your tires are not aligned, then also guides you where you're going. All right, down below, we're going to have electrical parking brake, then a hold brake. Cup holders. You got little buttons on the side. You can customize those to fit almost any kind of cup. Armrest is adjustable. A nice little cubby space with a little tray down below. Adjustable air vents over here on the passenger side. Good size glove box. We're going to have a one-touch power moonroof. Pretty much slide that back. It's going to open, close, and tilt. To get it tilt, you just simply push that right in. And there it goes. All right, guys, so that's going to be the walk around for the 2021 Honda HR-V EX. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, or even drop a comment down below, all right? And once again, if you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and the subscribe button, or even comment down below. All right, this is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways, and thank you guys again for watching. Bye-bye.